The news spread like wildfire. A massive meteor, bigger than anything humanity had ever seen, was hurtling toward Earth. Scientists estimated impact in 72 hours. Across the United States, people stood frozen, staring at the sky. Some prayed. Some cried. Some simply waited, unsure if this was humanity's final sunrise. In New York, Times Square was silent for the first time in history. Screens that once showed ads now displayed one message: seek shelter, stay calm. Families hugged their children. Strangers held hands. The fear was real, but somehow people were united in a way the world had never seen before. Meanwhile, in NASA's control center, scientists worked day and night. They tried simulations, rockets, lasers, but nothing could stop the meteor. It was simply too big. Dr. Carter, the lead astronomer, whispered, "This might be the end." But even then, they didn't give up. They sent one last emergency mission into space, a ship called Hope-1. As Hope-1 approached the meteor, the entire world watched. Live streams were on every phone, every TV, TikTok, YouTube, news channels, all broadcasting humanity's last chance. The commander sent his final message: "If this is our last day, let's make it a day of courage." Then, a blinding light, a shockwave. The connection cut. For hours, the world waited. No signal, no update, only silence. People in the USA gathered outside, from California beaches to Texas suburbs to the snowy streets of Minnesota, everyone staring at the sky, waiting for either destruction or a miracle. And then, something unbelievable happened. The meteor had changed course. It drifted away slowly, as if an invisible force pushed it aside. Humanity was safe. People cried, laughed, fell to their knees. No one knew what truly happened. Science couldn't explain it. Some called it luck. Some called it a hero's sacrifice. Some called it a miracle. But the world agreed on one thing. When the sky broke, humanity united. And that saved us.